So tomorrow we are leaving for our 2-month trip to Europe. KJ just came over. There he is.
Oh, hey there.
And we're gonna go through everything we packed, our tips of like why we did what we did, because honestly for me, it's like really hard to pack, especially for a longer trip. So we're just gonna chat about it and hopefully it will help you pack in the future. So for this 2-month trip, I'm making 2 bags. The first is this Peak Design travel bag. It's 40 liters and honestly it'd be great for a 1-bag travel because it's huge, but I'm also bringing this Rome check-in luggage. Or so we thought. When we landed in Frankfurt for our connection, we ran and caught our flight to Florence, but our bags did not. So we've been tracking them on our phones because we have air tags and they are in Germany right now. Maybe back in Italy. So for now, we just have the clothes that we were wearing.
You'll see more about it on Tuesday's vlog.
Yeah.
Bye.
Full disclosure, we got these for free in exchange for some content creation, but we really do love them. This is 60 liters and hopefully I don't fill it up all the way.
Okay, so we are bringing checked bags for 3 real reasons. One just being that we're not really traveling super fast. We're gonna be spending about a week at a time in each place, so it allows us to bring a little more stuff instead of having to do laundry so often. 2, our checked bags are included on most of our flights. We only have to pay for 1 flight's worth of checked bags, so we figured why not take advantage of that with a bigger bag. And 3, because we're gonna be on for 2 months, we just wanted to be able to have a little more room. We're not necessarily packing more stuff because of it, but we're just giving ourselves the option just in case for whatever reason that might be.
Also, this is our longest trip ever.
Yeah, our longest time away from home. So gotta be prepared for it.
Like traveling a lot.
Yeah.
You did like your study abroad, but
yeah.
this is a big deal.
Yeah.
So this might be too much like in the future, but for now, it's just right.
All right, so now Sarah's gonna go through what she's packing in her 2 bags.
Since we are traveling this summer, I am bringing tank tops galore. I have 9 shirts total, which I think is pretty good. 8 tank tops and 1 short sleeve. So most of these are white, black, gray. I have like a blue and a purple just because I needed some color, but most of the things I'm wearing can go with other outfits. So I wanted a black shirt that can go with all the colors of pants that I have, etc. And these are all going in my packing cubes. I've traveled with these for the past year since KJ got them for me as a gift, and I absolutely love them. We'll put the link somewhere. In the bag. Next, shorts. I'm packing 7 pairs of shorts and 1 pair of jeans. So all of these have different purposes. I feel like 7 pairs of shorts is a lot, but I have jean shorts, I have black shorts, I have blue shorts, green, beige, and then biker shorts if I want to go on a walk or something. And you gotta have 1 trusty pair of jeans. Also, if you don't know my jean saga that happened on Instagram, picture here. I ordered the wrong size from Abercrombie online, thinking that I knew my size, or I don't even know what I was thinking. I was in the wrong, and thankfully I got the right size of jeans, so don't worry. Now all of these go in my packing cube and back in the suitcase. I have 1 romper and 4 dresses. I have a green romper that's just easy to throw on and go to the beach. I have a white dress that's super flowy and same thing. I also have 2 dresses that are green and floral blue. Those are just nice to kind of dress up. And then I have an exercise dress also from Abercrombie. So I fold some of my clothes and I roll some of my clothes, kind of hot topic. So depending on how that goes, I'm gonna see which packing cube the dresses are gonna go in. Okay, just kidding, I'm gonna roll these. I didn't know what I was gonna do. I'm gonna roll them. Small packing cube it was. Boom. So next up we have my pajamas and workout pile. So I'm bringing my favorite Vuori set of shorts, a tank top, and joggers just in case there's varying temperatures. I also have a t-shirt just because that's important to have, a black tank top, and a workout set. In the bag we go. That doesn't look good. Nice. Okay. And this is like outer layers, longer sleeve, longer pants. What would that category be called?
Miscellaneous clothing.
Miscellaneous longer clothing. So I have a rain jacket. I wasn't gonna bring it at first, but then KJ told me I had to bring one. I have this blue cover up that's really comfortable if it gets cold at night. I also have a white cover up as well as some white long pants. I have another off-white set that's really cute. And I have a scarf if we go into any churches or temples. And that's it for the outer clothing. And yes, that's a lot of white. I have a lot of Tide sticks in my bag. Fingers crossed for me, because that never ends well. That'll fit, right? Boom! That's actually probably gonna go there. And now an assortment of bathing suits. I have a one piece that I really like. I also have a yellow bathing suit. I have a fun blue and white bathing suit, another blue, a black, another blue, and a long rash guard just in case I'm out in the sun all day. I got most of these from Skady and Via Island, and I love the Skady ones the best. They're like super buttery and soft, and I really like the material. I think they're also sustainable, which is always a win. Yes, this is probably too many bathing suits, but they roll up super small. It's really hard to justify not bringing them. Maybe I'll cut one out. I feel like I have too many blue ones, but I don't know. I was also a swimmer. I just like bathing suits. And done. What do we got next? So I've gotten to the end. My last thing is socks, and I don't want to put them in a big one, so I'm gonna take the dresses that I literally shoved in here and switch it out. I don't know why I create more work for myself sometimes. I brought 9 pairs of Bombas socks. I'm obsessed. I brought 1 pair of fuzzy socks just in case the Airbnb gets cold, 5 pairs of underwear, and 1 bra. So I made a list for all the random stuff that's really important that kind of comes next in the hierarchy of things that you need. I brought a day bag because you don't want to bring around your big backpack all the time, a water bottle, a purse, mask, wallet, AG1 bottle that I'm actually drinking right now, my passport, a microfiber towel, sunglasses, hat, playing cards, hair accessories and hair ties, jewelry, eye mask, and earplugs. Some of this stuff is gonna go in my suitcase and some of it's gonna go in my backpack. And done. And now I'm on to the toiletries. I'm definitely taking advantage of the checked bag and packing not only travel size things, but larger things. I also, since I have celiac disease, it matters what lotion and what sunscreen that I pack. So I ran into a problem in Mexico where I couldn't find any, so I'm just making sure here. Anyways, toiletries. This is a very extensive list. Here we go. Toothbrush, toothpaste, brush. Oh, brush means different than toothbrush. Got the brush, can't forget the brush. Anyways, brush. Toothbrush, toothpaste, toothbrush charger, razor, shampoo and conditioner, deodorant, my first aid kit, Tylenol, Advil, Band-Aids, wipes, Tylenol, Advil, Band-Aids, Aquaphor, tweezers, mascara, Tide sticks, Q-tips, sunscreen, and lotion. That might seem excessive, but I want to be prepared for everything. Now I'm sweating. Hoping this doesn't kill me with weight. On to the next. I forgot. Tongue scraper, face wash, and cream for soreness. So this is my health section. You might not need this, but since I'm only less than a year out from my celiac diagnosis, I need to make sure I'm getting the good stuff in my body as I'm traveling too. So any prescription medications you have, just pro tip, make sure you have the information that is actually prescribed for you, and if your doctor writes a note about like why you need it, that's even better. I'm also taking B12, a probiotic, multivitamins, vitamin D, ashwagandha, magnesium, AG1, which is amazing, and my NEMA sensor, which tests for gluten in foods. To talk about these little pill organizers and just travel organizers that I have from Cadence, I'm literally obsessed. Instead of opening up those things each day, I just prep them. So these say Sunday through Saturday on them, and I just put everything I need in here. And so when I'm traveling, just take it out, and it's super cute. They're magnetic. I love them. So every week I'm gonna take that, prep my week here, and then be in a routine. And no, I have not tested if this fits in my bag yet. Really hoping it's also under 50 pounds because this is heavy.
I'm now kind of realizing that when I said we were bringing about the same amount of stuff we wouldn't carry on,
we're not necessarily packing more stuff because of it.
I might have lied.
This is a lot of stuff.
It's a lot of stuff.
Shoes. Wearing these on the plane. They're my Reeboks. Gotta have white shoes. I'm also bringing Allbirds because sometimes those aren't the most supportive, and if I want to go on a walk, wear my Allbirds, and then flip-flops. Birkenstocks. And they don't currently fit where I'm gonna put them, so. And since we'll be working on the road, here's my little technology and work remotely setup. So laptop charger, iPhone charger, adapter, headphones, wireless headphones, notebook, pen, portable battery, portable monitor, and cord. And basically all this goes in this bag. I forgot one thing. snacks. These are so important, especially traveling around the world. You just never know what you're gonna find. I could not find granola bars in Mexico. So, got my favorite snacks. Mounds, Kind Bars, and Mounds. I also have my plain outfit. I'm trying to decide between one sweatshirt right now, my compression socks, and one tank top that adds my tank top total 210. Tank top total 210. Tank top total 210. That's a tongue twister. And that's it for my bag. KJ, you're up because that was a lot of me talking.
All right, I'm gonna start off with my pants and shorts. So I am bringing 5 pairs of shorts, 1 bathing suit, contrary to Sarah's 7 bikinis. I'm bringing 1 pair of shorts to sleep in / hang out in, 1 pair of sweatpants, and 2 pairs of pants. 2 pairs of pants might be excessive, but we'll see. And I have the same packing cubes as Sarah, different color, but same idea, goes right in the suitcase. All right, moving on to shirts. Okay, for shirts, I'm bringing 7 t-shirts and 2 kind of nicer button-down linen short sleeve button-downs. For shirts, I'm bringing a lot of Cuts clothing shirts. They're honestly some of my favorite shirts. I've talked about them before, but just to reiterate again, they're super comfortable. They're great shirts for traveling in. They come in very neutral colors, so they go with everything. Kind of a theme of long-term travel or packing for travel is making sure you have clothes that go with multiple other clothes. So I could have like a white cut shirt that goes with my black shorts or beige shorts, or a black shirt with, you get the point. So my point is they're really great shirts to travel in. They're super comfortable, super lightweight, and I highly recommend them. They recently came out with a button down, which I'm super excited to wear. And overall, they're just really nice. So if you want some, check out the link below. Use KJ and Sarah as a 15% discount at checkout. And I hope you enjoy.
They also just came out with a women's line, which I'm really excited about. I got a shirt and I'm definitely gonna wear it in Italy.
And in the packing cube and in the suitcase. Also, I forgot to mention the 1 bathing suit that I'm bringing is Cuts, and I'm bringing a Cuts sweatshirt as my 1 sweatshirt for my travels for the next 2 months. Moving on to socks. For socks, I am bringing 10 pairs of Bombas. These are super comfortable socks. Highly recommend getting them. And if you have the personal American Express Platinum card, you get $50 every 6 months to use at Saks Fifth Avenue. And that's 3 pairs of Bombas that you get for free every 6 months. So highly recommend doing that if possible. We'll leave a link in the description below for a referral code to the American Express Platinum. Small packing cube for those, and right in the bag. Moving on to Miscellaneous and Toiletries. I have my day bag. It's a dry bag. I believe it's 20 liters, good for having the camera out, and it's waterproof. So if it starts raining or if we're near water, don't have to worry about things getting wet. Then I have my raincoat to keep me dry, because that's important too. I have these KN95 masks, and then I also have a bunch of AG1 in this packing cube. I'm not gonna throw all these on the ground because there's 60 of them in here, so plenty of AG1.
I'm literally drinking it behind the scenes right now.
I also got this bag when I studied abroad in Paris 3 years ago. I'm bringing it in case we get groceries, because a lot of grocery stores throughout Europe don't have plastic bags like they do here in America, so you have to bring your own bag to take your groceries home.
You should use that in America too.
Should probably use it in America too. I just haven't. Yeah. Anyways, and then I have my baseball hat, go Tigers, and I also have a bunch of converters for our electronics. So that's kind of my miscellaneous section. It's kind of all over the place, but it's things that you need. Okay, and finally, toiletries. I have all of my liquids in this bag, so in case it breaks, they don't leak everywhere, as well as some razors and extra blades. And then I just have toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, all that good stuff. Not nearly as many things as Sarah, but she's also taking some stuff for me as well with the vitamins and all that fun stuff.
If you have diarrhea in another country, I don't want to hear that you want some of my pills, just saying.
I will be taking it if I have diarrhea, no doubt about that. This is also super extra, and I definitely wouldn't do this if I didn't have a bag as large as I do. But I'm also bringing some hair cutting things. Sarah cuts my hair, and if I can avoid getting a haircut in a different country, I'm gonna do it. So here we are, I'm bringing these for getting my haircut. And my backpack of choice is the Nomadic X Peter McKinnon camera bag. Check out that video from last week to see what's in here. I'm not gonna go through it again because I did a whole video on it. And then finally, I have my wallet and sunglasses. Passport is in the bag, and that's about it. Oh, and my shoes. And for shoes, I have my Allbirds I'm gonna be wearing pretty much 95% of the time, and my rainbow flip-flops. I've had these things for literally 7 years. They are super run down, but super comfortable. So Rainbow, if you're watching this, hit me with a free pair maybe? I don't know. I'm a loyal fan, but I do love these flip-flops. So I'm only bringing 2 pairs. I hope that's enough. I don't see why it wouldn't be, but that's what I'm bringing.
What if you want to dress up?
If I want to dress up, I'm hoping that flip-flops will be sufficient.
Summer vibes.
Summer vibes, yeah, I think it'll be okay. I am just realizing now that I forgot my toothbrush charger. Hopefully I can get it tomorrow before we leave. Otherwise, I'll have to use my electric toothbrush, like a regular toothbrush. Not the end of the world, but so that's it.
Okay, so that was a lot of information. Basically, for process, I just put everything on my bed initially and cut it down. I even had my sister come up to my bedroom and help me cut things down. I needed some help with that and probably still need more help with that, so let me know what I shouldn't have brought. I also packed for 2 weeks at a time, so we're gonna have laundry at some points. I just made sure I had enough clean clothes for 2 weeks. I definitely overshot it, but that was the process. And then like here are some other tips that like I try to live by while packing. Everything you bring has to be super versatile, so it has to go with multiple pairs of shorts if it's a shirt, or you're gonna wear that dress multiple times. Don't bring something if you're just gonna wear it once. You'll regret it because then you're just carrying it around. I've done it many times. So that's basically everything we packed in our suitcase, and we won't ramble on even more, but we're going to Italy tomorrow. Our flight is in 24 hours exactly, so see you there.
Let's go to Europe, baby.
I'm just nervous, like I took way too long and you weren't even gonna enjoy that. What do you think?
Well, I think yours is gonna be like 10 minutes and mine's gonna be like 4 after the final edit. Because you were just like, I have B12, I have diarrhea, I have laxatives.
I don't have diarrhea.
No, sorry, I don't have active diarrhea, but you're preparing for active diarrhea. Like you just talked about every single thing, which is great.
Favorite dentist just bought my retainer, so now I can have a retainer in Europe. He won't be laughing later. Dun dun dun!
Don't wish diarrhea on us. That would not be fun.
Not me, you.
Don't wish diarrhea on me. It's gotta be enjoyable for you either if I have diarrhea.
Yeah. Just like stop talking. Click the button. Go down and then we'll come up.
No.
I'm trying to eat a snack. Okay, just said you can't eat a snack behind the camera, so.
No, let's go. Come on.
I didn't want to leave with that. I don't know why I did. La, la, la. AJ. Pick it up. Thank you.